Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Now it's time to study. Today we are going to study maths. Today we will learn circle the biggest number. Circle the biggest number. Biggest number means a number which comes at last. Biggest number means a number which comes at last. Okay. Now we start. First of all, tell me how we find the biggest number in the given series. You can see here that the numbers are written over here. First number is 5, second is 8, third is 10 and fourth is 2. 5, 8, 10 and 2. Now tell me which number comes at last. Tell me 5 is the biggest one. No, 5 is not the biggest one because we know after 5 the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All these. So 5 is not the biggest number. So after 5, 8 is written here. So tell me 8 is the biggest one. No, because after 8 number will come 9 and 10. So 8 is not the biggest one. After 8, 10 is written over here. And after 10, 2 is written over here. So we can easily say in this series that 10 is the biggest number. So we will round it like this. Okay. Now we will come to the second example. And the numbers are 9, 7, 4 and 1. 9, 7, 4 and 1. Now tell me 9 is the biggest one. Yes, 9 is the biggest one. So we will round it like this. Next 2, 8, 5 and 6. 2, 8, 5 and 6. Now tell me which one is biggest one? Tell me 2 is the biggest one. No, 2 is not the biggest one because after 2 we know the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All these. So 2 is not the biggest number. Next 8 is the biggest one. Yes, 8 is the biggest one because 5 and 6 are smaller. So we will round it like this. Next 3, 7, 4 and 2. 3, 7, 4 and 2. Now tell me which one is biggest number? 3 is the biggest number. No. 7 is the biggest number. Yes, in this series 7 is the biggest one. So we will round it. Next 2, 1, 3 and 5. 2, 1, 3 and 5. Now in this series tell me which one is biggest number? 2 is the biggest number? No. 1 is the biggest number? No. 3 is the biggest number? No, but 5 is the biggest number. So we will round it like this. Hope you will understand this. Practice more this type of activity at your home. Next, now we will learn circle the smallest number. We will learn circle the smallest number. Okay. Small number means which number comes first, that is small number. Small number means which number comes first, that is small number. Okay. See, these are some numbers. Our first number is 2, 8, 9 and 6. 2, 8, 9 and 6. Which number comes first? That number is small number. 2, 8, 9 or 6. Which number comes first? 2. Very good. So, we circle here like this. Next, which number come first? 6, 3, 5 and 4. 6, 3, 5 and 4. Which number come first? If you have a problem to confirm that which number is smallest, then you recite the counting, okay? So, let's do it. We start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Which number comes first? Yes, 3 comes first. So, we will circle here like this. Next, 4, 6, 3, 2. 4, 6, 3 and 2. Now, if you have any confusion, you start counting and you will get the answer. Okay. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Which number comes first? 2. Very good. So, we circle here like this. Next is 7, 4, 3, 5. 7, 4, 3 and 5. So, in this series, which one is the smallest? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 is smallest one. So, we will circle this. Next numbers are 2, 1, 9 and 8. 2, 1, 9 and 8. So, which one is the smallest number? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest one. So, if you have any confusion, you start counting and you will get the answer. Okay, practice it at your home. Thank you.